Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh to my panel. My name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Johari. My supervisor is TS Azwan bin Aziz. So today I would like to present my bachelor degree project, which is my title project is develop of a prototype of low cost sensor on a carbon monoxide CO and volatile organic compound VOC. Introduction. IAQ. Indoor air quality is qualified within around a building and structure, and IAQ will be affect the health and comfort and well-being of the building occupant. So I proceed to CO. CO is the gas which is smell and colorless. For example, vesicle smoke. And VOC is a gas, is a solid or and liquid. For example, oil and paint. So Internet of Things is a IoT is a system of integrated computing device, mechanical and digital machine provide within unique UIDs and ability transfer the data over the network without required human to human and human to computer interaction. The next slide is a problem statement. A healthy environment is not only to have a clean vicinity but also to ensure a safe and conducive surrounding, especially postcard in campus UTEM. My problem statement 1 is the problem is that humans do not know that they will be exposed to poor environment. Statement 2, which is to know the level of carbon monoxide VOC and on the postcard. And statement 3, low cost of these prototypes is easy to carry, compare other data device, and the data will be related. This slide is objective. My general objective is to develop of a prototype of a low cost sensor on the carbon monoxide CO and volatile organic compound VOC. One is to develop a prototype using Internet of Things IoT mechanism, Arduino and non-MCU. Second, to measure the level carbon monoxide and volatile organic compound using the prototype. Third, to evaluate the effectiveness of the prototype of low-cost sensor carbon monoxide CO and volatile organic compound on monitoring system. From the scope, this project focus on the monitoring environment IAQ for surrounding area at a postcard UTEM, and by using Arduino and microcontroller, no MCU and Wi-Fi module in this project. This slide is a literature review. First, sensor carbon monoxide CO and volatile organic compound VOC. Caregivers 2009 say carbon monoxide CO sensor is utilized as sort of a semiconductor that is the official standard of the carbon monoxide sensor estimate indoor air quality. And the sensor is a gas sensor depend on a semiconductor that is more affordable and simple to work than non-dispersive infrared sensor. Carbon and VOC sensor is a heat sensor for semiconducting sensor. Next, monitoring system, Cabebels 1997, and monitoring device equipment with Internet of the Thing is the technology I have brought the models benefit human, industry and environment. Next slide is a methodology. IoT based on monitoring system is especially designed to project for monitoring sensor of a carbon monoxide CO and volcanic organic compound VOC sensor inside of the campus. So stage 1 is to system development of a prototype. Stage 2 is a system measurement, and stage 3 is effectiveness. It's a system development of prototype. We have block diagram inside here, and is you can see is equipment for my project. Next is system measurement. This prototype system will be tested in the entrance and exit area in the postcard UTM. So for the pandemic COVID-19, can test on entrance A, campus, indoor, and postgrad FTK only at 7:30 and 1:30 p.m. This is based on effectiveness, which is we have a based on the prototype and based on other device parameter. There is a flow of the research. First, title research selection, literature review, problem statement, word through inspection. Then we going to IAQ parameter to be measured. Then we go to the potential factor present. If you yes, you go to monitoring for information. If you know and feel measurement data for monitoring, then we go to IAQ sensor, CO and VOC. Then we be discuss about the result and discussion. Then we go through on conclusion and recommendation, and we will end. As you can see, this is my flowchart for the monitoring carbon monoxide, CO and VOC parameter of IoT based on monitoring system, based on my research and my project development. So then we have a flowchart for monitoring the percent of motion of IoT based on monitoring system. Next slide we discuss about the result and discussion this chapter, and we represent the result, which is the work process and work study that we had been before. A prototype low cost monitoring gas sensor, blink application, result and analysis, CO and VOC, and discussion. This is my prototype of low cost monitoring gas sensor, which we have a schematic diagram. You can see using the freezing. Then I go to my prototype. First, number one is a main box, and second one, back one is a power supply, which is I go 5 volt by using the power bank also can, and 5 volt USB. Then number 3 is terminal box, which is I go put a terminal board inside that for going through the apply to the gas sensor. Then number 4 is a gas sensor box. The equipment inside they have Arduino, no MCU, breadboard, and I2C LCD. This is a gas sensor box, which is have for number 1 is a CO carbon monoxide sensor, and second one is a VOC sensor. Then number 3 is a motion sensor. Right, this is a video that I made a prototype development, which is I take the data at the postgrad UTEP. Next is a blink application. I'm using blink application for have been said before. The blink application, it can show the monitor and show the sensors, store information and visualize it, and do numerical other cool things and on a smartphone. It can also show the full graph and know to time as reading. And blink application must be able to connect the internet, because this not MCU should have the internet to works. And then based on the study that has been conduct, the reading of the gas sensor should be put on the display of the smartphone to make it easier to know the value of a gas reading. Then this application can also send the data information that has been taken via email user. Alright, this figure show is important thing, and we has no to need to be included in the coding for starting to create a Blink application. From the first line that highlighted, that is series code from the Blink application, you can see set the right Blink project setting Blink that give the series code, which is if a user can create the Blink application, user can get the code series, and then the series code must be applied the coding.mcu. Then third is the username and password need to be enter, for example above. Then you will be refer user from hotspot or must have internet data, Wi-Fi off, and each model must have internet data to access it. Next slide, we're going to result and analysis of carbon monoxide and protein organic compound, which is going to extract standard indoor air quality from carbon monoxide 50 and maximum allowable concentration for continuous exposure and 8 hour, and VOC 20 ppm, and symptom you get the toxic range. This is equation for convert mg per meter cube to ppm. Slide is is a result of a CO at a main campus UTM entrance A, which is get what day 1 and day 2. As you can see, the diagram show is increase the reading at the early morning at 7:30 and to 8:30, and this means that the main campus UTM has some vehicle entering the area to start the work. Referring to the ASHRAE standard, the reading value at a maximum is 50 ppm, and to available consideration for continuous exposure in any 8 hour. Next is the result of a CO at the Faculty of Technology UTM. The diagram show have day 3 and day 4 will be taken on the reading value. On the third day, the reading value of a CO is very low compared the reading value on the fourth day, and based on observation that have been made, there is a high reading value in the early morning at 7:56 AM and 8:23 AM, and the reading and third day is almost above reading of 50 ppm at 7:50 AM. Right, this is a result of carbon monoxide at a main campus Indo UTM and Faculty of Technology UTM. This graph will show that have been done before 7:30 AM to 8:30 AM. From the observation that have been made before, the reading on the carbon monoxide, there are some changes every day where they increase the early morning is a very high reading. It is because for every morning, staff and student vehicle was enter main campus and Faculty of Technology, and Polis Bantuan will be stop the vehicle to check the temperature for MCO procedure. Next is a result of volatile organic compound at the main campus Indo UTM entrance A. So we take day 1, day 2. First day, we based on the observation that have first day reading more in from the morning to evening has been value below the reading is 12 ppm, and the second day the reading will be early morning 7 until 7:30 AM, lead to increase in the reading of the 12 ppm. This is a result of a VOC at Faculty of Technology, UTM, entrance A, which is day 3 and day 4. Based on the observation that have on the third and fourth day, the reading from the morning to evening has been an even value below the reading of 12 ppm. Then the change in the reading value of on the third day is decreased at the 8:26 am compared to the fourth day. Right, this is a result of a volatile organic compound at the main campus Indo and Faculty of Technology UTM. The figure shows that have been done before this is based on the observation have been made. The reading of the OC reading daily, there are some changes the early morning compared the state standard. The recorded data is below 20 ppm. This is proof that the area at the postguard UTM is still safe, and this data show is 50% of the staff enter the faculty affect the data recorded, but in the normal day after MCO, the data will be higher. Right, next chapter is about conclusion. Generally, this study has been successful achieved the main objective to develop a prototype using the Internet of Things by using a mechanism Arduino and NodeMCU. By using the Arduino and NodeMCU, it can help user to monitor reading the value by using a smartphone on via the Blink application, and it can send the transmit reading and display through on the smartphone. And by using a prototype, it can measure the level of carbon monoxide on volatile organic compound and to analyze the air environment at the postguard UTM. From the analysis, it can increase awareness of UTM communities to the importance of keeping the IoT parameter at a good level, because to increase the public awareness in thermal environment knowledge that contribute to safety and health. The effectiveness of the prototype VOC effectiveness of the prototype of low-cost sensor of a CO and VOC on the monitoring system, which is by using IoT system, it can simplify the task monitoring the reading value of the CO and VOC effectively and easily. Thank you for listening, and Assalamualaikum.